In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to generate a feature plot in SCenic Viewer. So in a similar fashion to the violin plot, you can enter your genes of interest within this text area input. So in the violin plot tutorial, we were looking at PDCD1, which is a marker of T-cell exhaustion. So I'm going to enter PDCD1 and then it will populate the drop-down menu with potential matches. At this point, you can select your gene of interest. So I'm going to click on PDCD1, which will then generate a feature plot. Now, one cool feature in feature plot is you have the ability to adjust the quantile cutoffs. Currently, they're set to off. You can turn them on by toggling this switch from off to on position. And at this point, you have the ability to adjust your quantile cutoffs within the feature plot. In a similar fashion to the violin and the UMA plot, you can also change some of the main configurations for this plot, such as the size of your main title, your X and Y axis labels, the size of your X and Y axis labels, the styling, as well as the font family. And once again, in a similar fashion to violin and UMA plot, in order to resize your plot, you can simply click at the bottom right hand corner and then drag your plot to resize. So this has been the tutorial for how to generate a feature plot in SCenic Viewer.